Sort your laundry by color and type of fabric before washing to prevent bleeding and shrinking. Yes, sorting your laundry by color and type of fabric before washing is an important step to prevent bleeding and shrinking of clothes. Different fabrics and dyes have different properties and react differently to water and detergent. By sorting clothes according to these criteria, you can prevent clothes of different colors from bleeding onto each other and also prevent clothes from shrinking or getting damaged. Here's how to sort your laundry by color and fabric type. Start by separating clothes into 3 piles: whites, lights, and darks. Within each pile, further sort clothes by type of fabric. For example, separate cotton from polyester, silk from wool, etc. For clothes that are likely to shrink or bleed, consider hand washing or using a delicate cycle on the washing machine. Use different water temperatures for different types of fabrics. For example, use warm water for whites and lights, cold water for darks and delicates. Check care labels and follow the recommended washing instructions. For clothes that are prone to fading or bleeding, consider washing them separately or with similar color items. By sorting your laundry before washing, you'll be able to launder each item in a way that preserves its color and shape, thus prolonging the life of your clothes and saving money on replacements. If you want to see more of our videos like this, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay in the loop.